So are you struggling to land your first SMMA client just because of you don't have the case studies or experience yet? In this video, I will show you a step-by-step method to sign your first client even if you are starting from zero. Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to get productive. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get some special offer. Now let's get started. So first of all, your first step should be choosing a niche. So you have to pick a niche that you understand or have the interest in. For example, a local gym, restaurant, or a e-commerce store. So focusing on one niche makes your PC stronger and easier to target. Next step should be offering a no-risk deal. Since you don't have the case studies yet, offer a free or discounted trial for a short period. So you can frame it as a performance-based deal. The client pays if they see the result. Next thing is the find prospective clients. So you can look for the potential clients on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or even Google. So check who is active but not running the effective ads or social media campaigns. The fourth step, pitch with value. So you can send a short personalized message showing you have researched their business. You can highlight how you can increase their leads, sales, or engagement. Even without the past results, showing the knowledge adds credibility. Step number 5 is deliver the results and the collect testimonials. Once you land your first client, focus on getting quick wins. So you can use those results to create your first case study, which makes it easier to attract more clients. And that's how you can sign your first SMMA client without experience. So if this video helped you, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.